Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Gratification and Solace from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Gratification and Solace. Look not at my words, for words are the most dense means of communication. Words hold contradictions, misinterpretations, and mistranslations. If you look merely at the words, listen to the meaning of the words, and you will find the gratification and solace you've been yearning for. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you. If you're able, please close your eyes and think of the good in your life right now. I am grateful for technology. I'm grateful for my air purifier. I'm very grateful for the internet. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.